Morning vlog. So me and Max are off to the beach today, so I thought I would vlog it because I haven't vlogged in ages because we've just been trying to get settled and we've been working and stuff. But today we're going to Brighton Beach, which is meant to be an amazing beach near Melbourne. We are very excited, so let's go. Disgusting. It's not even gone one yet, babe. We have made it to Brighton. We're just walking to the beach now, but the weather is just amazing. So nice. I spy the water. Water, baby! Swimming and it's bloody lovely. Really liking it, aren't we?
Fucking David, that's off, isn't it?
Huh? Loving it, aren't we? So we've been at the beach for ages.
Come on,
Woohoo! Look at that bod. And we're gonna go find some lunch because we're both quite hungry. So I think we're gonna go to a place called Betty's Burgers, and yeah, I'll show you the food when we get it. Here's our burgers, and we got some Aperol. Max has like a mint cocktail spritz. Cheers. We've just had our burgers, and we've decided it was probably the best burger we've ever had, wasn't it?
It's probably the best burger in existence.
It was so banging, like, it was so good. I would not take away from it, I would not add to it, it was just bang on. Ice cream! So, excuse for my absolutely awful appearance, but we are still at the beach. Max is still drinking wine from a Sprite bottle. Love that for us. We've literally been at the beach for like an hour or so. We just had our last dip because we thought it's getting quite cold now. It's getting windy and stuff. So we thought unless we go now, we won't go again. We're both a little bit tipsy, aren't we?
What are you talking about?
And we're probably going to get packing soon and going home, so yeah, I hope you enjoyed. Oh, it's starting to rain. No, it's starting to, oh, it's starting to rain now, right? So we're going to get packed. Max,
Coming home.
my nose is so red. Where are we now?
Colonel's house.
Oh, we're at KFC now. Wait. So KFC here do these drinks.
It's a fucking bee's knees, this is, mate.
It's so good. It's like frozen raspberry lemonade things. They do them in McDonald's where they do like frozen Cokes and Fantas, and they are literally banging.
This is even better though.
This is banging.
This is the worst.
This is how quickly Melbourne weather changes. It was literally 31 degrees not even that long ago, and now it's like raining. End of the day.
Oh, stop vlogging.
Signing off.
Transition.
Transition to next day I vlog. So it is now a week later. It is a Sunday and I have planned a fun day for me and Max today. We have got lots of things to do, so I thought I would take you along. I hope you enjoy. pretty sure the weather isn't all that in Melbourne today, so I'm just wearing like a long sleeve top, but it is backless, and then some jeans, and I'm probably gonna take like a little jumper with me just in case, just because like I hate being cold. Max is doing a wall sit for a drink. What a cool building. Love it. Not impressed.
What?
We want a Pikachu! Woohoo, baby! We want it on the little balloon thing.
Once again, can I just do a call?
Fish and chips. Max is getting some Indian food.
If I ever
Slowing.
fucking get it.
So I've already finished my lunch and Max is still waiting.
Still waiting. It's been about 20 minutes, isn't it?
Yeah, it is long, but baby, yummy. What if it's shit as well?
I'm gonna throw it back at him.
He's finally got his food.
Wait.
Here is Max's Indian wrap.
There we go.
So at least the wrap is good, isn't it?
Solid 9 out of 10.
Right, so me and Max have just been back at home, having a little drink,
Come on.
having the refresh. God, the lighting's really weird here. I look like...
your keys?
Yeah. And now we are going to Crazy Golf, and it's called Holy Moly, which I love the name of. And yeah, we'll see you there. Got a drink. I've got a sugar caddy. Max got an amaretto sour. He's going for his first shot.
Only one in it.
No, where's the hole?
there.
Playing hole in one. Loser! So now me and Max have bet that whoever wins, well, whoever loses has to buy the other person a drink. And Max is already on 5 and I'm on 10. So it's not looking good for me. Anywhere I No, don't tap it. Oh. So me and Max did the first game and guess who won? Not me.
Your round will be next round.
We're on to our second cocktail. On to our second game. Let's go, baby. Woo. Where'd it go? Oh. Woo, baby! Yeah. So who won in the end?
Get that fucking carrot on my face.
I did!
Get a carrot on my face.
So Max has just gone to the toilet, but I wanted to show you guys. We are at a Korean barbecue restaurant and we ordered a little like pork dish, and we've got all these little side dishes. I've got like this thing that's called corn cheese. We've got all these different sides and we've got a beer. I'm gonna end the vlog here.
Oi,
Me and Max have just been at the pub for ages and
some Irish people.
with some Irish people. I'm gonna end the vlog here. I really hope that you enjoyed and I'll see you in my next one. Goodbye. Say goodbye.
Right guys, so we've woken up a bit hungover today. We were going to order some food, maybe a Mackey's, but neither of us wanted to go and get it. So instead we're actually going to go out and eat at a restaurant, which is even fucking longer. But yeah, it's going to be fun. Bye.
We are here at the Mexican place. We've got some cocktails. Well, Max got a cocktail. We've got a frozen margarita, strawberry one. I just got a solo.